What is up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm back on this trimaran. I'm not even sure how long it is, maybe 20 feet. Smoothing these out, what we're going to do, this guy wants me to smooth these out and make them gelcoat to match here. So basically kind of ground this down, all the fiber that was here, and ran this bonding filler over the top. Sand it smooth. Same thing on this side, a little less smooth. I need 1 or 2 more passes of stuff. And then I've got some fiber that I did here to reinforce this edge. It's probably a good 6 to 7 layers of glass, which should sturdy this right up. And what I'm going to do is actually the last layer is I'm going to wrap it around the bottom like this, and that should give it a little bit more rigidity and seal it off nice. Same thing on the other side. What else? I think that's about it. A couple of filler spots and Dremel spots with filler. Mostly I've been working this today. Smoothing these out. And I'm just about ready to go home. So, anyways, just want to make an update. Like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Share with your buddies. Thanks for watching.